Hello student, I welcome to all my dear students. Myself Dr. J.K. Sali. In the last lecture, we had seen concept of direction, features and nature of direction. Today, we are going to learn elements of direction. So let's start with the new topic and new chapter, elements of direction. Concept of direction. Direction is the managerial function of guiding, motivating, leading and supervising the subordinates to accomplish the desired goals or objectives. Directing is the social and sound of management function. It is the process of guiding, communication and inspiring, motivation and supervising the employees and to achieve the goals of an organization. Definition of direction. Direction consists of the process and techniques utilizing and issuing the instruction and making certain that operations are carried out as planned. In this slide, now we will discuss elements of direction. Direction is a process in which the managers instruct and guide the subordinates, the performance of their subordinates. Direction is called at the heart of process of management and other functions of management such as planning, organizing, staffing. The first point is issuing of orders and instruction. It is the first element of direction. It includes issuing of orders and instruction by the superiors to subordinates. Superiors have two things done from the subordinates. It is includes issuing the orders and instruction. They are clear, complete, within the capabilities of the subordinates. Thereafter, next point is guiding the subordinates. The orders and instruction are issued to the subordinates. They must be guided the proper method of work. This is done to ensure that assigned tasks and carried out effectively and efficiently. Next point is supervision. The term supervision refers to the job of observing and overseeing the subordinates at work. Supervision is an initial part of the directing function of every executive because overseeing is to be done at all levels of management from top to bottom. The order to see the work is done according to the instruction. Superior must observe, supervise the activities to the subordinate. It is done ensure that the activities of subordinate contribute to the organizational objectives. It is the important function of every manager. Perform the function of supervision of his level in the management. The next point is leadership. According to Chester Bernard, leadership can be viewed as the quality of behavior of individuals whereby they guide people or their activities in organizing efforts. He has to influence towards achievement of goals. Thus, manager has to work as a leader of its subordinates for getting things. Thereafter, next point is motivation. It is one of the most important elements of directing. Managers has to inspire, induce the employees to act and get expected result. He can the various financial and non-financial incentives to get the things done. Motivation is the process of stimulating people to action and desired goals. Motivation depends upon satisfying the need of people. Motivation can be either positive or negative. Positive motivation provide the positive reward like increase in the pay, promotion, recognition. And negative motivation use the negative means like punishment, stopping, increment. This also may induce a person to act in the desired way. Motivator is the technique used to motivate people is an organization. The manager use motivators like the promotion, recognition, the responsibility. Motivate is an inner state, the energies, activities or moves and direct the behavior towards the goals. Motivates arise in the individual which prompts some action to reduce. Motivation is the process of stimulating action. And thereafter, next point is the discipline. Discipline maintaining and rewarding those who perform well is an important element of direction. It is the essence of direction with the help of communication. Manager can instruct the subordinates and he can explain the policies, practices to subordinates. On the other hand, he can take the feedback from the subordinates. Thus, he can say that two-way the communication it is the important and the element of the direction. So, another elements that the coordination is essence of management, and this coordination imparts or arrangement of group and efforts so as to provide the unity of action and the pursuit. It is the common purpose. So these were the various elements of direction. Thank you.